Okay guys, so I just put my fake tan on. As you can see, I look crazy tan right now. It's just, this is like the baking part of the fake baked, you know what I mean? When I wash it off, it's gonna be a lot lighter than this, so, you know. Right now, we are just going to get coffee, and then we are headed to Sally's to get, holy shit, I look so dark. Girl, can I like lighten? Oh, that's why. Ha, the exposure was down. I was like, man, I look so dark. Okay, I look a little bit more normal now. Yeah, so we're just gonna go get coffee, and then we're gonna head to Sally's and get some hair dye. I haven't exactly decided what color I want to go yet, but we're gonna find out, girl. This is the outfit we're rocking. These World Cup tanks, me and my boyfriend both got new ones. And then my new shorts. I've also ordered more of these. They're on the way. Got the coffee. That's like super red. Ooh, what is that? Like, I mean, this one's slightly darker.
They all look the exact same on the camera.
Do you want red, red, or red? Okay, so this is rock and roll. And it's not here, but it's right. That's where it's supposed to be. Dang it. I don't know, that's nice, but I just don't really want my hair to be all one color, you know?
It's a little much right there.
I was gonna get a dark and a light.
Ooh, magenta.
I really like the yellow. But I
think you should go magenta and streaks of lemon.
Oh, that would be a look. I don't know, that throws off my whole plan. I wanted to be tan with nice red hair. It's like weird orange. I don't know if I want that. I could go pink again, I guess. Okay, so we've got yellow, we've got pink, and then I got a complimentary red because buy two get one free. I got some eyelashes, gorgeous. I've got some clips just to help hold back my hair while I dye it. And then I got a little lip balm. So I think I'm gonna just do the yellow first and see if I like it or not. And if I hate it, I might cover it up with pink. I think that's gonna be the game plan that we're gonna go for. Okay guys, so this is the color we're gonna start with.
Oh, I'm in the mirror.
That's the cameraman. So I don't know if this is gonna turn out okay or if it's gonna look fuck ugly. I'm not gonna bleach my hair, so it just has to go over the pink that's already in it. So that's why I'm not really sure how this is gonna look. So this isn't really to use. You don't have to mix it with anything. Just pop the lid.
Oh. Hey, I'm zooming back out. Okay, yeah, now we got it.
So satisfying. Okay, that should be a good amount. Ooh, looking nice and bright. Okay, so now we're going to just kind of clip my hair up a bit. Not like it really matters we're putting the same color all over, but I do want to start with my like sides first. And then I'll work on top of my head. So yeah, now I'm just going to take a brush. It's a little stiff, so I'm just trying to make it less stiff. Good old body towel. Okay, and sometimes with dyes that are already pre-made, they're really thick like this. So you really need to like work it into your hair to make sure that you're actually using the coverage to its full potential. Also, I'm not doing my roots or anything right now because it just couldn't be fucked. They're not to the point where they're bothering me yet, so I think I'm just gonna leave them for now until they're like this long, and then we'll re-bleach and You're gonna have to go a couple different angles when you go here just to make sure you're getting like the roots this way and then the roots this way kind of thing. Okay guys, I'll check back in with you when I've covered a bit more of my head. So this is what we got rocking so far. What I think is going to happen is I think the blonde pieces are going to go bright yellow, and I think the light pink pieces are either going to go peach or they're going to go mustard. So either way, we're going to get a couple of different tones of yellow in there, which is what I wanted, which is why I didn't bleach it. I really don't like when my hair is just all one color. It's just very flat. I just don't like it. So I like to leave a little bit of different shades in my hair so that when I do bleach it, it does come out multicolored. I just don't know if I'll end up liking this multicolor. So I'm going to leave it on my hair now for probably like an hour-ish in there, 45 minutes, we'll see. You can leave this on as long as you want. You could leave this on for like 5 hours if you wanted. I know some people do that. I don't have the patience for that shit because I actually have, you know, stuff I want to do today. But yeah, I will check back in with you guys either before I wash my hair or right after. So
Why is there splotches right here?
oh my. Okay guys, so I've had it on for about 40 minutes now, and I'm just being impatient, and I want to wash this shit on my hair, do my hair, see how it looks. I'm excited to see how it looks. I've never done yellow before. Hopefully it looks good. I'm not sure. Get rid of some of this dark tan I got going on. Look at a little bit more natural when we're done. But yeah, I will check back in with you guys after my shower. Okay guys, so this is how the yellow turned out. As you can see, there definitely is a bit of, let's zoom you in. A little bit of like mustardy yellow going on here, but it is definitely like yellow. One thing I was a bit worried about is if it didn't take very well, that it just looked like I shittily had really bad looking blonde hair, but it is definitely like yellow. So that is a bonus. I don't like it as much as like my pink hair that I usually rock, but I do think that it will be fun to have for a little while. I've never been yellow before, ever. And so I think it'll be cute if I rock like a really bright pink lip and some nice big false eyelashes. I think it'll be super cute. It'll be really good for summer too, so I'm excited about that. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this yellow hair, how it turned out. Would you ever go yellow? And also, what color should I go next? I did buy another pink, a red, and I still have that blue. So when this fades, let me know what color you'd like to see. I also do sneak peeks on my Instagram, so be sure to go and follow me on that. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in my next video.